Now your Super Doppler 10 forecast with meteorologist Jeremy Wheeler.
We have a tornado watch for the area until 1 p.m. this afternoon for most of the region. Now, Eastern Shore, you're not included in this, but you might as well still pay attention like you are, because there's going to be some strong storms coming in, and they are going to roll over you later this morning, so we'll be on the lookout for that. But again, still, the whole area, pretty much a tornado watch till 1 p.m. Now, we got rain for most of northeast North Carolina, some spots of heavy rain southeast of Hertford. There's one in there around Grandy and Currituck. That's all moving to the north, so the lighter rain's getting into Chesapeake, Suffolk, and Virginia Beach here pretty soon. Petersburg, Richmond, there's some strong storms there and some very strong storms west of I-85, and they're eventually going to edge to the east and move into Hampton Roads. That's more likely over the next couple of hours. So 10 a.m. there's a high chance for rain until noon, and then from 1 o'clock onward, the rain chances really drop off. We're doing pretty good this afternoon, but this morning, late this morning through midday, that's when we're going to see the strongest storms. So between now and 10 a.m., some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. The winds are increasing, and then round two, this is 10 a.m. till noon. This is when we could see that severe weather out across the region. Noon to 4, things break up, isolated showers, thunderstorms, things break up quite a bit, and the rain chances go down. Our temperatures are already in the mid to upper 60s. It's warm out, 50s on the eastern shore, 60s elsewhere, and those winds have increased. Now they're running at 10 to 15 miles an hour, 10 to 20. Pretty soon we'll get some gusts of 25 miles an hour in the region. So the wind's very strong between now and noon. Gusts could be up to 35 miles an hour, and storms are likely through noon, but then this afternoon they drop off. Highs in the 70s. So rain showers and thunderstorms today, dry weather tomorrow, the winds continue, and then quiet weather for the weekend. In just 10 minutes, I will track the storms with Future Track, I will track the winds with Future Track, and I'll talk more about the potential for the severe weather. Now I'll turn it over to Lex Gray. She's in with traffic.